Okay, and here's another one. That's slightly different Samsung version. It says untested. Okay, so let's pop up. Back cover somehow. Is it this one? Yes. All right, still Samsung battery, nice. So let's see what's this one. Actually, looks exactly the same. It says a Siege 15. U660. I'm confused because it definitely looks different than the other ones. Or is, oh, you know that might just be the, well, the outer shell. Okay. Oh no, that's a U680. That's that it is. Okay, U680. So yeah, it's almost the same, but slightly different. Okay, good to know. So a bit of a rough shape here, but okay. So let's see. Okay, that's it. It says untested. Okay, outer screen is on. Inner screen is on. Come on. Oh wow, what kind of language is that? I don't think that's Spanish. Bateria Cargan, I don't know, Italian? Cargandos, Portuguese. Okay. All right. Yeah, all these ones might be Ryzen locked. Or whatever. Okay, so it's booted up. It's still on battery, so that's great. Okay, I mean that's as far as we know. I know. Is it Spanish? Or Portuguese? Definitely not Italian. Okay. Can I switch the language though? And this looks like photos menu. Nope. Nope. Okay. Navigator. Okay, there we go. So Espanol. All right. There we go. Language set. All right. So that seems to be working. So works. All right. So that device again, I have tested, and as you may see that it looks quite familiar. We have seen a couple of these Convoy 2 Verizon phones that are CDMA only Well, this one is not that. However, it's pretty close, as you may see. This is actually Convoy 3, which is SCH-U680, I believe. I mean, not a humongous difference here. Again, similar story, Verizon CDMA. It works, like all functions do work, again, outside of mobile and phone calls. Because, well, I can't test it. Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. I don't know which network it might actually work, if any. But yeah, so you can see that's the phone, and it works. So again, let me know in the comments if that kind of phone can be used on any network in the world, or even on its own Verizon network nowadays. And that's pretty much it. Well, one other thing is, like, unlike other phones that actually look pretty decent, this one does look pretty rough. Let me see if I can show you a little bit closer. Yeah, look at those scratches. Yeah, it seems like the paint actually peeled off, which is a bit unusual. I mean, it's not that unusual in plastics. But that's probably, yeah, it did take a lot of rubbing. And yeah, the screen, again, a little bit hard to see here, but there are quite a bit of scratches in there. They're not deep scratches, but yeah, you can't you can't mistake this phone for new or never been used or even lightly used. That's pretty heavily used. So yeah, with that, yeah, not super hopeful about this phone. Again, considering that it's CDMA, only, well, the charging cable is standard, at least that's the micro USB, as in all these Convoy devices. So that's, yeah, right here. So that's good. But apart from that, I don't know if we can do anything with them. Maybe reuse the batteries for something else. But maybe some people actually, well, I know some people do collect phones, so maybe it's a collectible items nowadays. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if that's something that you want, or you know somebody who may want those. All right, and with that, I'll see you in the next episodes. See you then.